Korean crypto market loses $24 billion in 6 months as trading volume collapses. What's going on? South Korea. Korean crypto market loses $24 billion in 6 months as trading volumes collapse 80% despite government pro-crypto policies. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. South Korean crypto market has shed approximately $24 billion in 6 months, with domestic crypto holdings plummeting from KRW 121.8 trillion to KRW 89.2 trillion between January and June 2025, according to the Bank of Korea's latest financial stability report. The massive outflow coincided with a dramatic collapse in trading activity, as daily volumes crashed from KRW 17.1 trillion in December 2024 to just KRW 3.2 trillion by June. Active withdrawal despite Bitcoin price gains. The decline occurred despite Bitcoin's price appreciation during the same period, indicating retail investors were actively withdrawing from crypto markets rather than experiencing passive losses. Exchange deposits fell from KRW 10.7 trillion to KRW 6.2 trillion, confirming widespread fund outflows. Korean retail investors shifted focus from crypto to domestic equities, which outperformed overseas markets amid a strengthening won currency. The pivot was particularly pronounced in U.S. tech stocks, with monthly purchases dropping from $1.68 billion between January and April to just $260 million by July. However, South Korean authorities are simultaneously accelerating pro-crypto policies, with President Lee Jae-myung designating digital asset ecosystem development as a key national task. The Democratic Party also launched a crypto policy task force this month, promising legislation before the end of the year to foster industry growth. Mass exodus from crypto to traditional assets. The Bank of Korea attributed the decline in the crypto market partly to Korean investors' strategic pivot toward domestic equities during a period of relative outperformance. Local stock markets provided attractive alternatives as global uncertainty around U.S. tariff policies created volatility in overseas investments. Korean retail investors demonstrated particular disillusionment with Tesla, selling a net $657 million in August alone as the electric vehicle maker lost its compelling narrative. Instead, crypto-related stocks such as Bitmine Immersion Technologies attracted $253 million in net inflows. Daily trading volumes on domestic crypto exchanges experienced an unprecedented decline of over 80% from their peak levels. The decline affected stablecoin trading growth, which had been expanding steadily before slowing during the withdrawal period. Despite the domestic downturn, global crypto markets reached a total capitalization of $4.2 trillion by September, representing 3.2% of the worldwide stock market value. Institutional adoption and legislative progress, including the passage of the U.S. Genius Act, supported the growth of the international crypto market. Korean crypto investors maintained significant positions despite the outflows, with over 10,000 residents holding assets exceeding $1,750,000. The nation's 10.86 million active trading accounts represent roughly 20% of the total population. In fact, survey data revealed that 51% of South Koreans aged 20 to 59 have experience with crypto trading, with 27% currently holding digital assets, averaging $13,9,547 per investor. Early adopters typically began with Bitcoin before diversifying into altcoins and stablecoins, with 60% starting during the 2020 bull run. Government pushes pro-crypto agenda despite market decline. President Lee Jae-myung's administration has launched comprehensive crypto-friendly reforms, reclassifying trading firms as venture companies to grant them access to tax incentives and state-backed financing that was previously denied since 2018. The Ministry of SMEs and Startups proposed amendments to include virtual asset service providers under the category of venture companies. Financial regulators lifted restrictions on institutional crypto investments while preparing approval frameworks for Korea's first spot crypto ETFs. The Financial Services Commission also presented implementation measures scheduled for late 2025, alongside regulatory frameworks for one-based stablecoins. Major banks established dedicated crypto teams in anticipation of legislative approval. Worry Bank launched a 9-member digital asset team, while Cookman Bank created a digital asset response council covering KB Financial Group affiliates. Similarly, Shinhan Bank formed a 20-employee crypto task force as institutions prepare rapid market entry strategies. Local governments simultaneously intensified crypto tax collection efforts. According to a recent CryptoNews report, Cheongju City has seized tokens from 203 residents since 2021 for unpaid taxes and has opened its own trading account to directly liquidate confiscated assets. The city collected 1.5 billion won, $1.1 million, from 161 tax evaders through crypto seizures. The Democratic Party's Crypto Policy Task Force pledged to streamline regulations away from operator restrictions toward industry fostering. Task force leaders plan consultations with regulators, the Bank of Korea, and private sector experts to develop comprehensive digital asset legislation. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. XRP price prediction. Ripple joins BlackRock in $700 million off-ramp deal, $1,000 XRP possible. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Solana by the end of 2025 Bitcoin price prediction. Coinbase CEO says $1 million BTC is coming, and the money flood hasn't even started yet. Why is crypto down today? September 25th, 2025. Why is crypto down today? September 24th, 2025. Price analysis. Crypto price prediction today, September 23rd. XRP, Solana, Cardano. 2 days ago. By Simon Chandler. Price analysis. Solana price prediction. On-chain data shows whales choosing SOL. Can it overtake Ethereum? 1 day ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Price analysis. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. 1 day ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. September 15th, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 23 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 23 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 2 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 23 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025. By Ben Beto.